Mary Jane, your present over here.
No, she wants to watch.
No, she doesn't want the dog here. That's why.
Oh, well, then give it to her there.
You don't want to see her open it?
No, it's okay. I'll turn around and watch.
All right, Mary Jane, here. Present. Yeah, take it out.
Okay.
Take it out.
It's a bag.
Open the present. Christmas. Go ahead. Take it out. Full. Yeah, that's garbage. Yeah, full. Full.
Wow. That's a fuzzy one.
Baby.
Wow, what's this? What's that? What's that?
Baby.
It's a baby. Want us to take it out of the box for you?
Want it out? Want it up or off?
Go.
No, I mean not off, but do you want it? Want to take it off?
To dog.
And then there's pajamas. Say,
Yeah, the cat's been all
hey, say thank you.
You know, but if I was that
Thank you.
fuzzy, she wouldn't do that to me.
Do you want us to take it out of the box for you?
Yeah, I'll do it. If you have scissors.